Yeah, hello and welcome back to another OG Schaefchen video. You probably noticed that in this video we have amazing sound quality of my speaking. This is because this time we were not too lazy to use our microphones, which are laying in my garage since approximately 12 months. So this video, at least in the beginning of the video, you get some amazing sound quality of me talking. Now honestly, I don't really know if this is a good idea or not, because right now in the garage while we're speaking it's probably a good idea, but I don't really know if it's a good idea to speak with the microphone in the car. But we will find out today, and you let me know in the comments if we should at least try to continue doing this with the microphone or not. Main reason of the video while we're here today is we accidentally converted my daily driver, which is my 700 horsepower TRX, into a 700 horsepower drift missile. Because as some of you might remember, in the last video we took out the front drive shafts because they broke while jumping it, together with the Taser DT module that I have in the car, which you basically just plug into the car, which sends all the power to the rear wheels. And now also with the missing drive shafts in the front, which if you come here really quick, we can take a look underneath the car and you can actually see that we really have no drive shaft in the front. I think it's going to be pretty insane. You can also lock the rear differential 100% on the TRX, which should definitely make for some quality sliding. The rear tires are already pretty done if you look at it here. So I think we have to finish them today, which is going to be a very gonna have a fun time today, I guess. We only had one issue. When we removed the drive shaft, we damaged the front differential a little bit, so it's leaking some oil. So if you want to remove your front drive shafts on the TRX as well, you should probably not do it like we did it. Anyway, gonna test it out, see how it goes. I think it's gonna be pretty cool, honestly. The funny thing is we always wanted to do it, and with us breaking the drive shaft, we're kind of forced to do it now. Hello, ASMR, ASMR. The great thing about the Taser as well is you have many different functions. This video is not sponsored by Taser, by the way. I had to pay the full $300 or $400 by myself. But honestly, I think it's quite a great gadget. If you have a TRX or a Dodge of any kind, I think it also works with Jeeps because you can do so many things with it. My orange daytime running lights, they are only possible if you plug the Taser into the car. You can also have line lock, which basically allows you to do some fucking great burnout. You can read error messages, a light show, you have tire fill, dark mode, which turns off all the lights, video, force wheel drive on, like I said. You can do quite many things with it. So let's go to our first little test track and see if it works or not, because we haven't really tested it out, to be honest. So let's go. Yeah, so we made it to our official testing area, which is probably the world's shittiest and shortest testing area. And honestly, I mean, in my mind, it's supposed to work, because why shouldn't it work? Kind of want to show you one more cool thing that I found out about the T-Rex a few days ago. If you turn it on, lock it and turn it on again, you're supposed to have a really nice light show. I don't know why it has it. Ian has some different modes. Can change it. I mean, it's kind of cool, but I don't really know the use for it. Well, anyway, let's try to slide it. We'll see how it works. The thing about my little test ground here is, and it's probably the tightest road we could have chosen, which is either going to be a pain in the ass or a blessing. I hope it's a blessing. So now I have 100%. I think this might even work a bit too well.
Works better than the BMW.
That works fucking great. It makes sense because you have no weight on the back and just so much power to the back, and it's such a long wheelbase, so it's pretty stable when going sideways. But honestly, I didn't expect it to work that well. Man, I love this truck. Whoever idea at Dodge it was to put a Hellcat engine into a truck, I love you and I want your children. Please marry me. You know what, the best idea you ever had, and I love Dodge for doing it. Which European car brand is as stupid with its ideas as Dodge is? Okay, so it was a bit too sketchy for money, so I'm on my own now. But oh, now sim it. Okay, so let's try and see how it goes. You have to work a little bit with the brakes. But once you do that and brake it into the corner, it works actually surprisingly well. Oh, fuck, it's so crazy. Oh my god, this works way better than it should. Fuck, it feels so sketchy because the truck is so long. Jesus, that was cool though.
Alter, fick dich. Ohne Scheiß, ich hab da einfach nicht ausweichen können. Ich bin einfach hinter der Mauer.
First test went surprisingly well in our little ghetto test track. I nearly hit money once.
3 times.
But apart from that, everything worked great. We're driving to a bigger test track now, which is located in another country. Gonna take it to some twisty mountain roads now and see how well the American dinosaur performs on European twisty roads. Gonna teleport to where we're going now. Hello and welcome back. It started raining for some reason and we kind of made it to road. The thing is that it's now really fucking slippery. This is probably the sketchiest thing I've done. Yeah, I'm not even giving it any fucking gas.
What the fuck?
So stupid. Okay, we're gonna continue driving and we're gonna hope that it's gonna be a little less rain in the back where we are supposed to be. Because as you can see, this is honestly not a lot of fun. I mean, it's kind of fun, but for money. It's 4th gear wheel spin. Oh, it's getting a bit better, honestly. I have to say, this is honestly a bit sketchy. And I'm used to sketchy stuff, but this is so stupid. But at the same time, it's quite a lot of fun. I think there's a skid pad there, and we need to try that out really quick. I think we now know why the T-Rex isn't available with rear-wheel drive as a standard option. Because this thing, in this weather, is a complete death trap. Honestly, I was never really scared driving any car on any road. But this today is pretty close to being very, very, very too sketchy. I kind of like it, but at the same time, I kind of really don't like it. While we wait for the weather to get better, we have some outside shots maybe, I don't know. Yeah, and then we're gonna continue our little journey. I think it's gonna be a bit drier later, hopefully, because I don't really want to do anything with this car in wet conditions. This is too much for me. Everybody's telling me the Viper is bad, but this is just the worst thing you can probably see. A pretty nice road. This is actually the road where we wanted to go with the T-Rex. But the thing is, it didn't look that small on Google Maps. So yeah, I think we should probably go search for something else because this is just I don't know. This is not suited for sliding the T-Rex. If you put this car sideways on this road, you probably get stuck. Okay, so we made it to our second location. So yeah, hopefully no more spinning out this time. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Yeah, honestly, I have to say, you have to throw this car around quite a bit, but it's possible. Yeah, we made it work.
What the fuck?
It feels a bit like the heavier version of my buggy, which I used to have.
What the hell?
You really have to throw it into the corners, but once you get it going, it's actually quite fun. But I don't know if the car likes it or not.
No.
Ah, fucking hell. But then it works. I bet you've never seen a T-Rex slide like this before.
No.
T-Rex is that the roads can be as shitty as they want. I don't care. I can't lose my front lip, I can't lose my rear diffuser or anything. If you're as immature as I am, it's probably the car to get, because you can do, as you can see, whatever you want with it. Take a moment to appreciate the scenery, honestly. Such a beautiful place. Let's see how my tires look and let's take some beautiful pictures. Monsieur, come out of the car, please. Oui. I think we can do this like 20 times more. Yeah. Honestly, I love this place here. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, caramba. Italy, one of the best places on earth. By the way, I think this was it. We kind of proved that the T-Rex can be kind of a drift car if you wanted to. No, actually, fuck it. I think we're gonna look for a place to burn on the tires completely tomorrow. So I see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, hello. It is now a few days later and I still have a lot of thread left on my tire and we're gonna take care of that today. We're at some random industrial area. This is the perfect place for my T-Rex. We have some hoops in the back, we have some jumps over there, off-road section, we have some warehouses that we can drive into.
Everything.
We have a huge playground. Today is gonna be a good day, but not for my rear tires. So let's do that, come on.
Yeah, let's go.
I don't even know what we're gonna do. We're just gonna drive around here a bit freestyle. This is my first victim, so to say, which is just a regular corner. Oh, this is the fucking coolest playground I've ever been to, probably. Yeah, this little course here is quite fun, but I think it's time that we step it up a little bit because it's a bit too tight for the T-Rex, honestly. This kind of looks like a jump to me, so I'm gonna try to hit this jump, maybe, I don't know. I need to let my car cool down a little bit, got a bit hot, but yeah, let's fucking jump, I don't know. Yeah. This is a fucking suspension test track. Man, I wish I had my pre-runner here. This is pre-runner paradise. But it works quite well with the T-Rex, I have to say. So let's hit this jump. I nearly lost the camera. Let's try it one more time. What the fuck? Oh, it looks like such a tiny bump, but you lift up pretty high, I think. Let me just see the outside footage. Bro, on the inside it feels so high.
Du behindert.
That worked actually quite good, I guess. We're exploring a bit more. Now it's getting kind of serious because here we have even more spaces you can probably see. Yeah, the tires can take a bit more, but they are pretty much done already. I think we're slowly getting there. Oh shit. Oh, this truck is so fucking good. I love it. Driving through here, through this gate, that feels so sketchy. Yeah. It's pretty tight. But the Ram loves it, honestly. This car is so good. I think I found my next drift car now. Yeah, I think this was a very good ending for my T-Rex drifting video. These tires are pretty much at the end of their life. I can't really burn them down completely because I have to drive 4 hours back home. These tires, which is perfect. Yeah, Gabriel wanted to help us change tires, but he can't help us. He doesn't have a machine. No, honestly, this truck held up very great. I'm actually quite surprised it worked that well. It could use like 100 horsepower more to probably send it, but maybe we're gonna take care of that with another pulley or something like that, and then we can try it one more time. Because honestly, that was so much fun. Oh. Fuck. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, enjoyed the edit, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Subscribe, liken und teilen.